Hey students, Mr. Yen here. We've reached the end of Chapter 22. We had 4 lessons and a lot of changes happening in the United States during this time. As always, we have some tools to help us prepare for the test. We have our study guide. Hey, if you can answer all these questions, you're in really good shape. We have our review here where our video will be posted, and then the test itself. We'll have the vocab in the front, as we always do. We're talking about busting trusts, busting trusts, muckrakers, things like that. Learn about the different communities and problems faced by minority groups within the United States. Things like the prohibition and the right of women to vote and things like that. We'll be talking about all of those. Some presidential elections, and then at the end there is an essay. You have an essay question in this one. Which reform of the progressive era do you feel was most important and why? Answer that with a paragraph. Check your spelling and grammar, please. That is really it. Chapter 23 will be our last content chapter on the rise to world power, and then we're going to have a paper after that. I'm working on that, building that right now. So that's where we're headed. And then, hey, it's the pretty much the closeout module here. Just a few days, the very last week of school with some real simple stuff. Like, what are you going to do this summer and end of the year survey, that kind of thing. So that's where we're headed. 23, a paper. And but for now, let's focus on passing this Chapter 22 test. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great day.